mga idol! Mayroong bagong laruan si Abdurrahman. Regalo sa kanya ni Mami Da at Tita Ads dahil nangunguna siya sa klase niya at ayan ang kanyang gift. O, sige nga, paandarin mo nga. Aray ko. Okay, paano nga yan? Okay, i-operate mo. I-on mo. Oh, on. Ayan, meron siyang light. Oh, 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 oh. Wow, amazing. Tumatumbling-tumbling pala yan, ha? Oops, kasi na. Oh. Wow. Galing ah. Oh, meron pa siyang parang helicopter effect. Galing naman. Oh, galing naman. Wow. Exhibition. It's like a robot car. No. Wow, ang galing. Okay? Anong sasabihin mo kay Mami Dati Taads?
Thank you, Mami Dati Taads. May bago akong laruan.
Wow.
That is the best toy ever.
Wow.
See you guys. Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless all. Ay, meron pa siyang ubo. Bye-bye. Amazing car. Amazing robot car. Bye-bye. See you next time, guys.